Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Justin Bieber. So first we're going to get started with the backwards cap. So we're going to start on our left hand side here and we're going to curve this all the way around and down on the right. We're going to start on the left hand side from that corner, curving this up and then arching that in slightly, coming up on a diagonal. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right and we're just going to end that at the same height. So we're going to curve that in. Starting back on the top now, let's close that off. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way over and then down, connecting that together. And then for the top of the hat here, we're just going to curve this line around and then back down. Now moving up, we're going to add in a detailed line here. So we're going to start on the left hand side and we're going to curve this line up and down on the right hand side. And then starting over on the left, we're just going to curve this line over and then arching that in towards the top. Let's move down and draw in the glasses now. So starting just beside our hat, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to move over and do the same thing on the right hand side. We're going to close this off on the top. So starting from the side here, we're going to arch this line around, bringing that down and then in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to start over on the side, curving this down, bringing that down, and then back in, blending that together right in the middle. Let's move down on the left hand side. Now we're going to bring this down on a diagonal, bringing this down, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. We're going to do the same thing, just mirroring that on the right. Let's close off the bottom of the glasses now. So we're going to start on the left hand side, back on this line, bringing this over and then up towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same on the right. So we're going to bring this line over and then back up, and we're going to end that at roughly the same height. We're just going to close this off with a small arch line right in the center. Let's close off the frame in the glasses now. So we're going to curve this line over towards the side. Now from here, as we come down, we're going to bring this line down, across, and then back up on the side. We're going to do the same on the right. So bringing this line down on a side diagonal, across, and then back up. Let's draw in the shape of the face now. So coming down for the cheeks, we're going to bring this line down, curving that in. And we're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing this down and then in. Now from here, we're going to flatten out the chin. So we're going to continue to bring this line down, flattening that out as we come in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing this down and then flattening that out again in the middle. Let's draw on the ears. We're going to arch this around and through on the side. Let's close off some details in the ear now. So we're going to arch this over, curving this around and down. Let's draw on the eyebrows behind our glasses. So we're going to curve this line up, bringing this across and over on the side. And we'll do the same thing on the left. Now let's draw on the nose. So we're going to start over on the left-hand side, curving this around, through, and then back up. And we're just going to color in the nostril black. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, starting at the same height, curving this down, around, and then back in. Now let's come down and draw in the smile. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, drawing in a corner bracket. We'll come across, lining that up on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's draw on the top now. So we're going to curve this around and through. And then we're going to arch this line down, over, and then back up on the right. Let's draw on the teeth. So we're going to start on both sides, curving this down towards our bottom line on the side. And then for the teeth here, we're just going to close this off by curving this around and through on the right. Now in the side here, we're going to draw on our smile line. So we're going to curve this around and down. We're going to replicate that on the left-hand side as well. And then coming underneath for the chin, we're just going to draw on a small curved line from left to right. Now let's move down and draw in the neck. So on the left-hand side, arching this line out, we're going to do the same thing on the right. And now let's just draw in the necklace. So beside this from the corner, let's draw in a circle. We're going to step across on the right and replicate that. Let's move up now behind, and we're going to curve this line around and through towards the side. And then moving up again one more time, arching this line around and then back down. come down on a diagonal in again, and we're going to draw in another circle. Stepping across again, let's replicate that, drawing in another circle. Let's move in again towards the center, flattening that out. Again, let's move across, flattening that out again. Then we're going to draw in 2 more circles as we join them together in the center. Let's draw on the jacket now. So stepping over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to line that up at the same height on the right-hand side and replicate that. Now from here, starting back on that line, we're going to bring this line across and then down towards the bottom of our page. And then we're going to replicate that on the right. So bringing this across on a diagonal and then arching that down, leaving a gap in the center. Let's step up, curving this over and out on both sides. Now from here, moving behind for the collar, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to end that at the same height. We're going to step beside this, so we're going to again curve this around and in on a diagonal, and we're going to just end this at the same height. Let's continue to bring this down towards the bottom. So we're going to bring this down on a diagonal, curving this down. And then now from here, following that line in the center, curving this all the way down towards the bottom. Now for the shoulders, we're going to arch this line over and through towards the side of the page. Let's add in some details now. So we're going to start on the right hand side, curving this around and up. We'll do the same on the left. Let's close off the shoulders. So we're going to start on the right hand side, arching this line in. We're going to do the same on the left. We're going to start from that point, curving this out and then down towards the bottom of our page. Now on the side, we're going to curve this line across for the arm. We're going to come over on the left-hand side and we're going to start leaving a small gap, curving this in. We're going to do the same on the right. And then right on the right-hand side here, we're just going to draw in a small circle for the button. And that is it. That's how you draw Justin Bieber. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.